Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can select all shapes only at once in your Lucidchart diagram without selecting any other type of elements from a diagram or presentation document. So let us guide you through this. So in the first step, navigate to Lucidchart project, and there are two ways how you can do this. Option number one would be to left click into the given shape. Let's go for example with that rectangle here. Let me just pan a bit and zoom in. And after you have selected it with your left mouse, press and hold left control on your keyboard and left click into the next shape to select both of them. Keep pressing left control and click into the next shapes. You may zoom out and select more of these elements and thus select these shapes. Now if you don't like that method, guys, there's also another option. Click into these three lines here at the very top. And from that menu select or hover your mouse over select here and choose all shapes. Not all lines, but only all shapes. And that is going to select all shapes without any other elements. And now you can, for example, move only these shapes. And as you can see, the other type of elements like, I don't know, lines or flowcharts are not affected by this. Of course, these connectors or lines will be to some extent impacted by this if they are connected with one of the shapes you have just selected and moved with, which is pretty logical. So that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.